welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Office bearers of GPCC slam Congress MLAs, demand resignation of leader of opposition but fail to pass action-oriented resolution. District Magistrate of North Goa issues security alert to hotels, guest houses and other religious structures, order following police report. Only 2 Congress MLAs attend late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi's death anniversary. No other MLA could make it. Rajiv Gandhi's portrait falls off wall. Arvind Kejriwal in judicial custody in criminal defamation case by Nitin Gadkari. Kejriwal apologizes for resigning as Delhi CM. Readies for fresh polls. And Goa women win National Dew Ball Championship. Men's team finishes 3rd. Maharashtra emerge runners-up. Now news in detail. Office bearers of the Congress party has slammed Congress MLAs in its executive committee meeting held on Wednesday. The meeting deliberated on BJP's lead in Congress MLA constituencies. In the absence of GPCC President John Fernandez, Vice President Moti Desai chaired the meeting. Some were demanding change in opposition leadership, but no action-oriented resolution was passed.
The office bearers of Congress party attended the executive meeting on Wednesday. They criticized the Congress MLAs for poor performance in Lok Sabha poll. Here are some of the issues raised during the meeting. How BJP got lead in Congress rural constituencies. GPCC demands inquiry. Change opposition leader, Congress office bearers. However, after criticism, the meeting ended with praising GPCC President John Fernandez without passing any definite action-oriented resolution.
जी सेंट्रलाक आमची लीडरशिप आसा मॅडम आणि राहुलजी वायस प्रेसिडेंट आणि काँग्रेसचे प्रेसिडेंट हांच्या भितर जीपीसीसीन पूर्णपणे फेथ दाखयल्लो आसा आणि सांगला की हांच्या दोगांच्या गायडन्सा अंडर आमकां मुखार वचपाची गरज आसा आणि आता जॉन बाबान आमच्या अध्यक्षान खंय ना खंय पार्टी क्लीन करपाची जबाबदारी घेतिल्ली आसा ताका पूर्णपणे पीसीसीच्या ऑफिस बेररांनी आज युनानिमसली रेझोल्यूशन पास करून ताका सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा आणि ताज्या एबल लिडरशिपे अंडर आम्ही 2017चे निवडणूक जरूर निवडून येतले आणि मुखार ग्रासरूट लेवल पर्यंत आता आमचे काम असतले फुडले 1 वर्ष पर्यंत ग्रासरूट लेवल ऑर्गनायझेशन घट करप.
The executive committee took resolution in favor of John, but John was absent for this meet. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
District Magistrate of North Goa has issued security alert to the hotels, guest houses and other religious structures. The notice issued by the District Magistrate also stresses on the government identity proof before allowing any guest to hire premises on rent. This order has been issued following police report that criminals may have an intention of committing crimes in Goa. The order will be effective for next 60 days.
District Magistrate of North Goa has issued security alert to the hotels, guest houses and other religious structures. The order is effective from 20th May and will be enforced till next 60 days. This is following reports received from the Superintendent of Police North that criminals with an intention of committing crimes in Goa stay in hotels with bogus residential and official addresses, telephone numbers and after commission of crime, it becomes very difficult to locate the culprit on the basis of available information recorded. District Magistrate of North Goa has ordered that owners and management of all hotels, lodging and boarding, private guest houses, paying guest, accommodation of all religious bodies not to allow any visitor or guest to check in without providing any government identity proof or identity card issued by the recognized authority. Similarly, the in charge of such accommodation shall provide all information for inspection to the police authorities. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Sadly, late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi's death anniversary was witnessed only by 2 Congress MLAs in the state, Opposition Leader Pratap Singh Rane and Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald. No other MLA was present for the function held at the Congress House. To add to the irony, Rajiv Gandhi's portrait fell off the wall.
21st May is Rajiv Gandhi's death anniversary. Congress leaders offered flowers and paid homage to the portrait of Rajiv Gandhi at Congress House in Panji. Sadly, opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane and Alex Reginald were the only two MLAs present at the function. Vice President of GPCC, Moti Desai, expressed displeasure over the absence of MLAs.
Election parliament election आमची भारत नासलो असल्याक निवळ करपा जाय आणि पार्टी चलयतले जाल्यार प्रामाणिकपणे ज्या पार्टीचो मोग आहा पावराचो मोग ना पार्टीचो मोग आहा तांकांच घेवन ही पार्टी चलोवपा जाय तेन्नाच पार्टी वयर सरतली.
GPCC President John Fernandez is in Delhi. As all leaders were moving out of the function, the portrait of Rajiv Gandhi fell off the wall of the Congress House. The photo frame broke into pieces. Later, it was placed back on the wall. Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik and opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane said that they are awaiting results from the new government.
आमका आत पळोवपा जाय बीजेपी सरकार ब्लॅक मनी कशें हाडटा अशें दाखयताले की आमी 2 दिसां भितर ब्लॅक मनी हाडटा म्हणून प्रायस रायजाचेर कितें करतात ते पळोवचें पडटलें.
भाजपा सत्तेर आयला जर डिलिव्हरी जावंक ना त्या रिफॉर्म्सची तर परत लोकांमध्ये एक तरेचे असंतोष निर्माण जाऊ शकतो.
We questioned some of the Congress leaders whether they are happy with the Supreme Court's decision of life given to the killers of Rajiv Gandhi. This is how they reacted.
ज्यांनी मानवी बॉम्ब सारखे घालून जी मानवी हत्या केली त्यांना सोडून वाऱ्याक दिवा म्हणजे अशी हत्या करणाऱ्यांक आम्ही प्रोत्साहन देऊ अशें लागता.
Such incidents should be dealt with iron hand.
The judgment is not right judgment. पयलोच इतलो टाइम घेतलो तो जजमेंट दिवपाक आनी आतां तांकां तुमी लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट दिवपाक सोदता.
Meanwhile, Ponda Congress bloc also paid homage to Rajiv Gandhi. Former Home Minister Ravi Naik was present for the function along with the other office bearers. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.